What's going on, everybody? Thank you so much for visiting ichurchmedia.com. My name is Carlos, and I'm going to be showing you how to add a give button or a donate button to a WordPress website. Now, please bear with me. There might be some things you don't know, but we're going to start off right off the bat from the WordPress website, and then showing you how to add it to the header, and then eventually getting you to your online giving platform that you use and showing you how to implement that as well. So if you haven't already, please don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe, or do something to help support this page, because a lot of people need this help and they don't have the resources or knowledge of how to do it, and it'll really help them out. It'll help me out, and I think it'll go around. So let's get to it, guys. Let me go ahead, and by the way, this is off the script too. I'm not even trying to have it be all professional, but I will give you all the tools and resources you need. So let's get this started. Let's do WordPress. So the website I'm going to be working on is 3in1church.com, and there's a new version, by the way, of 6.1 on WordPress, and so it's pretty different, pretty new. So if you haven't already, please update your WordPress website. It's so many changes have happened in the last couple of years, and I really encourage you guys to do that. So the first things first, we're going to go to, just to show you guys how the website looks like. I literally just downloaded the WordPress onto the domain. So this is what it looks like. This is what it would normally look like, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to install actually a couple of plugins that I highly recommend for you guys to get in the event you're at this stage, right? I'm teaching you guys exactly from the beginning. I would definitely use Elementor, because Elementor is just the most, dude, it's so easy, it's so good. The platform itself, look how many, 5 million active users. It's what's the best out there so far. And I will leave a link on the description of that below, okay? So it's simple. You plug it in, activate it, and now it has this new feature, which is kind of cool. It says you're here, let's set things up. Okay, cool. I already have a WordPress account, so you can create an account and it'll redirect you to that. But so I'm going to connect with mine because I already have one here. iChurch Media, perfect. That might not be the one, but it's okay. Okay, cool. And then yes, and also continue with Hello Theme. That's the theme you're going to need to use. It works the best for Elementor. So I'm just going to say change this to 3 in 1 church. And also too, guys, you're going to see me misspell a lot of words. So let's keep going. Okay, cool. Let's skip that part. I don't care about the logo right now. I don't have that. Okay, cool. Skip. Alright, cool. So now we are here, and see how ugly that looks? Man, I do not like that at all. But for the meantime, guys, we're gonna go back. It's already good to go. Let's go back. Exit. I'm gonna go back. So this is a new little feature too. This started just happening not that long ago. It says here, now you can choose where you want to come on the site from the following options. I always like to do WordPress because when I go back to after this page, I want it to go to the dashboard, not to a post or anything like that. So let's go back here. Let's start off by adding a header right to the theme. So what we're going to do is go to templates, and we're going to go to theme builder, right? And what's cool about theme builder, it already has all these resources here, from header, footer, pretty self-explanatory. It's telling me to update now, but okay, so I can't do that. I'm going to try doing with the free version right now, and I'm also going to do it with the pro version, because I do have the pro version, but for now, for the sake of helping you guys out, we're going to do that. So let's go to theme builder. I wonder if I can't. So I can't do it. Wow, that's actually, I hadn't even heard of that, but all right, let's get to it. All right, what the heck just happened on my WordPress website? Let's go here. Okay, cool. So what we're going to do here is we're going to let's just go to pages. I'll just show you guys how to do it for the free version, right? And let's just add a home page, right? Let's add a home page here. And for the home page, under template, you're going to choose Elementor Canvas, because if you don't, I'll show you exactly what happens if you don't. So if you go here and you go hit publish, hit edit with Elementor, it's going to look kind of funky on the top, and we don't want it to look funky on the top. So what you're going to do is you're going to change to Elementor Canvas, and then hit, and that's it. Actually hit save, but save draft, right? Save draft. Okay, cool. And so now you have this. What's cool about the free version, you don't need a super crazy skills to learn how to do the header part, but what you can do is go to this little thing right here and the little folder, and it goes to blocks, and I believe they have headers here if I'm not mistaken. Let's see, yep, they do headers. So these are all pros. I believe they had free version ones. Wow, they've changed a lot. Okay, I guess not. Regardless, guys, we're gonna figure this out as we always do. So we're gonna click here. We're going to add, let's do 3 sections, because I think what's really good about, see, now this is what it's gonna look like. We're gonna add an image here, which will be like the logo, right? I don't have a logo, but let's just find one real quick. Let's do this one. I like that one from iChurch Media, right? And so I should just do the other one. The other one looks better. I like this one better. Let's do this one and open. Cool. And then let's use this one. Boom. So that looks good already. See, it kind of already looks like my website. If you jump over to iChurch Media, you guys can take a look at there. So we're gonna make it look something like this, right? And so there's this, right? And then we're gonna add the menu navi. At the moment, there isn't a menu navi, but just so you guys, it's called menu navigation. So you can't add it here either. Okay, well, we're gonna figure that out later. So regardless, we're gonna add the give button here, and so let's add the button. Let's add a button here. Here's the button, right? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it, I like putting it on the right corner like that. And we're gonna change the color to, and if you haven't gotten this little tool, guys, I really suggest you get it. It's called a web page color analyzer. So you hover over it and you pick a color, and when you hover over it, and it copies it for you. This is color copied, and so we're gonna go back to this button. We're gonna go to the color, which is right here, and then we're going to paste that. So now it matches the brand, which is really, really cool. I'll move myself over here. I feel like I'm in the way. Okay, cool. And so from there, we're gonna change the button content. We're gonna choose donate. All right, donate. And so that's pretty much it, guys. This is literally how you make a header. Once you have the provision, you're able to do the exact same steps, but you will have the portion here where you're able to put the navigation on there. I'm almost certain, guys, you can do it, but let me see. I think I need to go to WordPress here real quick. Let me see. For the sake, and again, guys, I'm doing this just so you guys can take a look at, hey, this is not, I may be a WordPress guy, but things change all the time, and it's crazy. So, here you go, see, navigation menu. So you go here, and right now there is no menu navigation, but you're able to put it through WordPress, which is fine. So then you apply that, which is cool, and then done. So you'll have the logo, you'll have the either about us, our beliefs or anything like that, and then you have the donate button. So that's pretty much how you create it on WordPress using Elementor. It's pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. You can go back and revisit any of the content that I showed you. But now we're gonna get into the giving part of it. So now when when this button is clicked, you want it to be redirected to the online donation page, right? So for the sake of our case, we're gonna be using Tithely. Tithely is really cool. Actually, fun fact, I used to work for them, but now I don't. They're really awesome though. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the dashboard, right? It usually shows up like this when you log into Tithely. If you are using Tithely, if you're not using anything else, comment below and I can send you some information on how to add the give button. But a lot of these guys already have those resources, but they don't show you how to customize it. They don't really show you how to do this part, at least from what I've seen. And so you're gonna go to giving, and then you're gonna go to settings, iChurch Media, cool, and then we're gonna go to giving form and app. And then from here, you have a simple giving widget or the direct link. Now, this is pretty self-explanatory if you don't know. The direct link, so it's literally the link you give to people if you want to put it on, I don't know if you could put it on Facebook, but if you want to put it on your website like this, right? You go here, I copied it already, paste it here. I'm gonna publish it, I don't care, publish. Now we're gonna preview it, changes once it's updated. Cool, here it is. This is it. Then you go to donate, you click on that, and then it goes to here. See, it goes directly to the iChurch Media donation page, and you're able to do your thing there. By the way, guys, the iChurch Media page is that we actually do a lot of pro bonos for churches. We build free websites. We do, we like to help the church out, and so anything here, where it's not, anything crazy, but if you do want to give, feel free to support us. If not, don't worry about it. This is completely free. But anyways, so this is the link that it goes to, so you're able to have it pop up but redirected. So let me show you guys now how to have it come up on the actual page. Alright, so let's go there, and what we're gonna do is go back to the Tithely page right here. You see where it says simple giving widget? It says copy this code and place it on your website. Cool. And it tells you how to do it right here. And let's see what happens when you click on that. They show you all this stuff. Cool. But it's easier to just do a video format, guys. So the way I'm showing you guys. But anyways, so what you can do here is I already have this logo on there, so that's how you're able to see the logo here. Again, every online giving platform is going to look different, but this is, again, only Tithely. So what you're going to do in this case to have it pop up, you're going to delete this, and right over here on the search widget, you're going to search HTML, and you're going to plug this HTML code right here, and then now you're able to copy that widget. Like I said, go here, we're going to copy this, right, and then we're going to paste it. Boom. And see, but now we have an issue now because it looks ugly and it's green. The Tithely green. Not to say that Tithely green is ugly, but it looks ugly from my side. So let's update that real quick. And sorry guys, I have allergies. It's killing me right now. And we're gonna preview that, and look how it looks cool. But now you're able to have it pop up as opposed to redirect. It looks really cool. You can support $10, 10 cents, whatever. Cool, right? And so, excuse me, from there, we're gonna change that really quickly, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. So, remember how I mentioned that I got this color right here, color picker? I'm gonna copy this color again. You might have a different platform on how you get colors, but that's how I do it. I find it very simple. It takes me like 2 seconds. So under button class, by the way, guys, if you change something, like let's say you delete this by accident, right? It's gonna look kind of funky, right? But you can always go back and press, I think it's Control Z, or for me I have Win3 or Win Z. You're able to go back and do that and make any changes. So if you make any changes, do not worry, it's not gonna explode on you. It's gonna be just it's gonna be okay. Let's show you. All right, so we're going to get the color, and we already copied it, and we're actually gonna put it right here where it says background color. Let's delete that, and let's add it in. Okay, then Command Z or Control Z. Boom! It looks really good. It looks like the color that I want it to look like. But now we have an issue. This is a really, really big button. I don't want it to be that big. And what sucks about it, what sucks about it is that you kind of have to mess with the numbers here. Like if you go to bold font, size 19, you can change the font here. You can choose 15, right? Makes it a little bit smaller, bigger. 17, that's fine. I like 17. The padding is going to be, let's do 10. Yeah, the 10 looks fine. Alright, and then we're going to change this to, what's this, at 7? Let's do 15. Okay, cool. That's a lot better. I like that a lot. And just a pro tip, guys, for you guys, if you, because once you do this, once you update it, and once you preview the changes, it's gonna look cool, right? It's gonna look awesome. You're able to press give, it shows up the pop-up, you're able to customize it. It looks awesome. You can even change the font on there as well if you want to. So let's go here. Let's go to button. Let's just put let's just donate. Let's just click donate instead. Donate. See? Perfect. And you're able to change it there as well. Pro tip again. So what I like to do is have it aligned absolute. I wonder if I can do it through here. Yes, so you click the little blue pencil, you go to width and you find auto inline, and it just allows it to be whether you want it in the middle, in center, vertically. Like it puts it right in the middle, so it doesn't look it doesn't look funky on any page. You see how it looks like right here. Let's change that as well. Horizontal, vertical, middle, right, and then center. Cool. And then update, and then boom. And that is, guys, is how you add a give button. I know it looks kind of crazy right now. Oh, there it goes. And so that's how you add a give button. That's how you play around with it. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully the video wasn't too long. And apologize for my allergies. They've been killing me. I've been having to pause the video. But hope that helps you guys out. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Visit ichurchmedia.com for any information. And I'm going to list the resources below, from the hosting to Elementor to all those things. That way you're able to use it if you want to build a website with us. Okay? Thank you guys a lot. Have a wonderful day. You guys take care. Bye.